Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change Capcut language to English. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now what you need to do is open up the Capcut mobile application. Now what you need to do is at the very bottom right, tap on me or your profile, and your profile image should appear here. From here, click on edit profile. At the bottom left, tap on edit and this interface will appear. Now at the top right, tap on the gear icon or the settings menu, tap on it, and at the very top is app language, tap on it, and from here you can easily select any of the languages, and that is how you can change the language on Capcut. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.